Today I take one video talk about grammar. As you know that Japan you have grammar, so grammar it is really important for connection term, and the better that when you understand about the grammar and you know grammar also you easy to connection. Especially grammar you know about the basic about the using, about the conjunction, something as well such as noun, verb, adverb, objective. So don't waste the time. So this video talk about how to. Okay, so you look at together. This one video talk about the kata. Kata in English mean that how to. 接続はverb must plus kata. Verb must plus kata. And then so must so you so you delete must okay must this means plus kata. 例えば食べます。例えばこれは食べますだからまは消します。消して型に入ります型。It is mean that how to eat, you know this how to, or the way that you know how to. 食べ方 also it is mean that like this. Example, how to talk, how to speak. 話し方座り方. Okay, so suggest that you look at the sentence. The example, この漢字の書き方を教えてください。はい、もう一度ね、もう一回より。この漢字の書き方を教えてくださいね。まあ、この漢字の教え方を教えてください。漢字は、まあ、story, the way, how to remember also. この漢字の読み方ね。読み方教えてください。Please show me how to write this kanji character. Please show me how to write this kanji character. You know the Japan language held by the Chinese character, or you can call that Chinese character or kanji character. Okay? And then so you write the verb how to. You know how to it is mean that kata. Okay? How to it is mean that kata. It is mean that the same sentence. So how to it is mean that kata. Yeah? How to it is mean that kata. この漢字の書き方を教えてください。Please show me how to write this kanji character. Okay, more one example talk about how to. How to it is mean that kata. Okay? So, コピー機の使い方がわかりません。コピーの使い方、使い方。Okay, everyone you know the word 使い方。コピーの使い方がわかりません。I don't know how to use this photocopier. I don't know how to use this photocopy. Yes, photocopy. How to. I don't understand about using because at the first time for me I don't know about. Yeah, I don't understand. So please tell me. Okay, so I review again before that. Go to. Okay, do we decide together and then I explain again how kata it is meant how to. This is good connection. Verb ma plus kata. この漢字の書き方を教えてくださいね。Please show me how to write this kanji character. Okay, and then number 2, コピー機の使い方がわかりません。コピー機の使い方がわかりません。I don't know how to use this photography. Yes, and then so okay, so you try to do it decide together. So I go on do something together, so everyone will try it. How to you know how to you know this word how to かた It is mean how to 問題 you know 問題 orange okay orange it is very important okay you try to practice each side okay when you practice again and again you will understand about something as well such as that this video okay so such as that I example すみませんこの料理のexample number one すみませんこのすみませんこの料理のすみませんこの料理の方を説明してください。すみません、この料理の方を説明してくださいね。この料理のしてください。この正しいのは何ですか Example A1 number 1 I say すくり Number 2 so すくって Number 3 you know that exercise that you try to practice okay when you study grammar and then you try to carry on the practice when the more you practice the more you understand when you don't practice you don't understand what is right what is wrong okay すくりますくってすくるすくこれは正しいのは何ですか So you try to remember about the 接続この接続はverb らかた This is that form so you try to understand such as that すく Okay this word すくりますだからすくりますこれは消します Okay so 正しいのは1番ですこれはすくり1番は正しいですすくり方 Okay すくり方すみませんこの料理の作り方を説明してください Sorry can you explain me how I make this food because I want to understand about the way because can you explain me okay すみませんこの料理の作り方を説明してくださいねこれが正しいのは1番ですはい皆さん覚えておいてくださいねはい次は次は number 2 second number 2 this that form so when you remember form exercise it is that easy okay so second step ジャンさんが日本のお風呂の方難しいと言っていましたお風呂ねお風呂ジャンさんは日本語のお風呂の入り方は難しいと言いましたそうですね次はnumber 2 second step okay number 2 before that finish this video okay one more everyone so you try study together okay this 漢字山これはた it is mean 邪魔ださん邪魔ださんの方はとっても分かりやすいですとても分かりやすいすみません分かりやすいですはい 山田さんの方、とてもわかりやすいですね。1番は花。2番は話す。話す。3番は話して。まあ、話して。No.4 話し。話し。まあ、A1, which one is that you sing? Good. Good answer. Okay, so everyone please try sing again together and then okay, 山田さんの方とっても話すして話し正しいのは4番です。話し方です。これフォームですね。これはform. So when you remember form, it is easy. 話し方。山田さんの話し方はとてもわかりやすいですね。Mr. Yamada, it is the good way to explain. It is the fast to understand. Yamada, good explanation. Yes, it is like this. So I want kata how to. Okay, 山田さんの話し方はとってもわかりやすいです。So this video it is the finish. So thank you everyone that you spend the time watching my video. Okay, see you next time. I will